So this video, we're going to look at prokaryotes and eukaryotes and the main differences between them. I liken it really to evolution in a way, because prokaryotes are really simple, easy to understand wee beasts, and eukaryotes are more complicated cells. They've got more what we call cell organelles in them. So prokaryotes are actually things like bacteria. Okay, and that's it. They are very small and they're very simple, and that's it. There's a bit more to it than that. They are literally, what they want here, right? We've got a cell wall, okay, and then inside the cell wall you have a cell membrane. The cell wall is often protein, and inside that you just have a single loop of DNA, and that's pretty much it. Okay, do they want you to know what it's made? No, they're not going past that. Sorry. Oh, and you can get little circles called plasmids, which are important when we look at other things like genetic engineering. Okay, I've used plasmids when I was doing some genetic engineering back in the 80s. Yes, I'm that old. Say it very quickly. So you've got cell wall, you've got your plasmid, all right, you've got cytoplasm, all cells. Cyto means cell and plasm means stuff, so it's cell stuff. There's nothing very much in it. You've got a loop of DNA. It can be a strand, but it's generally a loop of DNA. It can be an RNA, okay, and then you've got a cell membrane. So how simple is that? For the eukaryote, it's a little bit more complicated. I'm going to use basically an animal cell, because we want it to be as simple as possible. Okay, we're going to look at animal cells in a minute in more detail, and the same with plant cells. So this one, we literally just have a cell membrane, so it looks simpler to start off with. But when you look in more detail at the cytoplasm, it's got organelles in it, like mitochondria and ribosomes, and the DNA is in a nucleus. So the prokaryote has no nucleus, the eukaryote has a nucleus, and that's it. That's all you need to know about them. Think simple and very small and bacteria for prokaryotes, and think larger and more complex for eukaryotes, and you won't go far wrong. Okay, so pro is early, eu is later.